I'd like to welcome everybody to Madison, Indiana, what is called the Hanging Rock. The rock formation with the waterfall is known as the Hanging Rock, is a landmark along Highway 7 in Madison. The site was formed by a passing glacier and is nearly 100,000 years old. Once a dirt road, it is now a paved pull-off area to drive behind the falls. I'd like to welcome everybody to the Hanging Rock. We'll get that in just a second. Don't know how much time we're going to be able to get any filming done. Yeah, I'm going to zoom in down there a little bit because there are rocks falling right now. One of the reasons we came here today was that was a big, huge icicle coming from that. It must have came down already, but look at that big, huge thing right there. Big, huge snowman. We're going to go all the way up inside there and take a good look around. I must have been past this thing 100, maybe 300 or 400 times. I've never ever actually come in here to get any filming or even pictures. I guess you can see why it's called the Hanging Rock. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Holy smokes. Back years ago, we're talking many years ago, I used to pull the car in here and get a free car wash. At that time, right down the side here was all trees and grass and stuff like that. It looked a little bit different than what it does today. But I'm very thankful they do have a way to get in here. It is a very busy road, so if you ever come here to visit, be damn careful. Oh yeah. But as you can see all over the ground where the rocks have been falling off this, the ice kind of breaks it up, and we're thawing out a little bit today. We are 38 degrees. I wanted to do this video justice today, but it being a busy road and the rocks falling down all around me, I'm not exactly sure how much justice I could do on the filming today. But wow, look at that limestone right there. I want to get back on the road and get a shot, but I'm afraid I'll get hit by a car. Matter of fact, I know I would. As you can see, the road's coming like right up next to this, and watch this car. See how close he gets right in here? Yeah, it wouldn't be safe to get in the road to get a shot, but wow. Now down yonder, down there, there's a couple other little waterfalls, as you can see. Now, back after we get a really good rain in the summertime, as I was saying, in the summer months, when we get a heavy rain, the water will come gushing over this and flood out the whole road. That is a hell of a sight to see. Obviously, the road's closed when that happens. I would love to go over to the other side and get a look down, but not safe to be over there at this moment. Right now, from here, we are headed to an old railroad route. Yeah, this is going to be a real treat. We'll see you over there. Okay, I'm still in Madison. I'm a little bit safer now. The other spot was really, really rough to get. I'm telling you. Cars coming around that corner, the rocks falling. I was getting a little nervousy. Well, guys, I am at a place called the Heritage Park Trail. It is an old railroad line that used to run through here. The problem was, it was up a steep incline. Now, we're going to go ahead and tell you some history. I'm going to show you footage that I got 3 years ago when we hiked the trail. And after that, I'm going to show you some Ohio River and some cool things around here with the G70. Then we'll close her out. The Madison Incline is the steepest line haul standard gauge railroad track in North America. Opened in 1841. The incline has been existing for nearly 180 years. Incline has become a popular hiking trail and can be accessed from dawn to dusk. Back 3 years ago, we did this trail. Would do it today, but it's very slicky, yeah. It's very slick and it's got ice, and plus, it wouldn't be safe for boots. I'm sorry. I'm having trouble, guys, today with my memory card. It wouldn't be safe for Kitt. It wouldn't have been safe for Kitt to go on it because we was there 3 years ago. We had Stormy. And we wish we didn't go on the trail because it wasn't safe for her. But here's the Ohio River here in Madison, y'all. I tried to do something different with my camera on the memory cards, and that kind of backfired in my face. So yeah, when we get back in the car, we're going to figure that out. There's Kitt and Angie right there. He's not behaving at all. She's having all kinds of trouble. Although he's sitting perfectly for her now. We are headed to Lancaster, Indiana after this. We're checking out some future video and then maybe do some filming up that way. We're waiting for a family to go by with their dog. Oh, there's the geese. You hear them? It's so beautiful over on the other side, isn't it? Well, today I set out to do something different with the videos. And like I said in my last video, I'm going to need a little bit of practice at it. I'm not mad at myself. Let me turn around so you guys see the background of the Ohio River. I'm not mad at myself, just things out of my control. Like falling rocks, busy traffic, and Angie not being able to control the puppy, Kitt. He ain't used to her, and she sometimes ain't used to him, because Kitt is with me everywhere I go. So guys, that's been the Hanging Rock. That's also been the really old railroad incline. That's now considered a hiking trail. Soon we'll come back here to Madison and get this yellow or orange building up yonder and do some other buildings. I'm headed over to Lancaster now to do some homework for a later video, which could be the next one. I don't know yet. And see if it's feasible to do some filming over there. Till next time, thanks for watching. And I promise the more and more I do this on the new way I'm videoing, I will get much better at it. Maybe this one ain't bad after all. I'll find out when I do the edit. Until then, come on, let's get out of here. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments down below. And don't forget to hit that like button. That like button does wonders for YouTube channels. My God, does it do wonders for mine. Till then, we'll see you in the next video.